Hello everyone, I'm Jordan Bakar, and in today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Stellar photo recovery software. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Stellar is actually a data recovery software. So this software that we're about to test out is perfect for those who maybe accidentally deleted their files, experienced corruption, or accidentally formatted their media source. So this is perfect for your PCs, your cameras, memory cards, hard drives, USB flash drives, and many more other devices. Before we actually get started with reviewing this software, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload in the future. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this photo recovery program, make sure you guys go down below and leave them down in the comment section down below. I'll reply and read every single comment I get. So if you guys have any inquiries or concerns about this software, please feel free to ask away. And if you guys did like this video or do like this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and smash your body in the like section. So let's actually proceed now and actually open up this application. Okay, so right now you guys should be able to see my computer screen. We're actually currently at the desktop. I've already went through the whole process of installing this program off the website. But if you guys need any more assistance with, just installing this program, make sure you guys leave a comment down below and I will be happy to assist you. So let's actually proceed with actually opening up this program. So right here is actually where the program is located. I know my screen's kind of big, but you guys can see this is where the icon is. I can actually make it bigger for you guys. So you guys can see my desktop screen. I've kind of made all my icons a little more bigger for you guys to see. We're gonna actually open up this application and it's asking me, do I want to make this changes? We're gonna say yes, and let me put my icons back to the normal size so that doesn't become let's just say a nuisance for our video. Okay, so I already have a flash drive connected, so it's actually already giving me that prompt asking me if I want to recover files off of this flash drive. We're just gonna click X for that for now, so I can show you guys what you guys are greeted with when you install this Stellar photo recovery software. You guys can see this is what you're greeted with as you open up the program. So you guys can see I have a removable disk, which is that USB flash drive as I was talking about earlier. I actually plugged in a USB flash drive, which is what we're going to be using to test out this program out. You guys can see it also shows my local disk, which is basically the computer's hard drive. And then this is also another flash drive that's also connected to the computer at the moment. And then this is, just the same thing as the computer's flash drive. So you guys can see it gives you guys all the drives that are currently connected to the PC. So in our case, we're going to be testing out this software with this removable USB flash drive. So in order to actually get this up and running, you have to select which of the drives, memory cards, or flash drives, or hard drives that you have connected that you want to basically analyze and see if it's able to recover your lost files. So we're going to use this one right here. You do have the option to do a deep scan where it basically kind of, takes a lot more time scanning through all the files and seeing if it has a potential backup of that lost file. So what we're going to do now is just do a simple scan in our case and scan this USB flash drive. So let's click on scan right here. You guys can see it's taking the time, and wow, that was really quick. You guys can see it completely just scanned that flash drive really quick. It says it found 166 files with 4 photos, and it says 6.24 gigs of the data is recoverable. So that is impressive. But you guys can see now it gives us a huge list of items that we can potentially recover off this USB flash drive. Let's actually go in full screen. You guys can see this is actually a pretty decent list. You guys can see there is a lot of files that I deleted back in February But you guys can see this software is actually able to recover them for me. All you need to do is select the ones that you're wanting to recover. And the great thing about this software, you can actually preview your files before you actually proceed on recovering them. So let's, like for instance, like this file right here, if I have it highlighted, it should be giving me a preview of that file just so it can show me how it looks like before I actually recover. As you can see, the video's loaded up and everything. Like, that's actually impressive. Look at that. All you need to do is click on the recover button that's on the bottom right corner, and it's gonna go through. And now it's asking me to select the destination and click on start saving to start saving the data. So in our case, we're just gonna make a photo on our desktop, and it's just basically gonna save all the files to this folder for us so we can, have a quick access to it. So let's select this. And all you need to do now is click start saving. So you guys can see right now, it's going through saving every of the files and recovering them. So let's see if it's actually successful. Alright, so I think the scan is actually done. Let's actually move over to the desktop and go over to that folder that we created. There's actually a folder named #root. And this folder contains all the files that this software was actually able to recover. So let's actually open up this folder up and see how many files it was able to recover. I selected a few various different files, and you guys can see it was able to get a decent amount of files recovered. It was able to recover the files that I selected from that program. You guys can see, like for instance, my Spill the Tech podcast that we do at school. It was able to get the PNG file of it. You guys can see episode 2. You got episode 3.1, part 2, episode 4, episode 5. So you guys can see it was able to basically recover up all the images that I have lost or have I previously deleted off that flash drive. So you guys can see with the Stellar photo recovery software, you can recover a lot of your lost files. I do highly recommend this product, or this software I should say, to those who are experiencing files that they may have potentially lost due to corruption, accidental deletion, and also just accidental formatting. You can really save yourself a lot of time, a lot of money, and also a lot of your memories that you may have potentially lost from using this software. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates on future uploads. If you guys did like this video, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up. That just lets me know if you guys enjoyed the video. And then lastly, if you guys have any questions or concerns about this software, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment, as I read every single comment I receive. So if you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to ask me away. But anyways, we are going to wrap up with this video. Make sure you guys, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys all on the next one. CrewElite signing out. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.